Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be making carrot oil for skin lightening. So I'll be using 2 carrots, organic is best, and I'll be using aloe. This oil is also good like for your hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna clean my carrots. Then I'll be peeling my aloe. You gotta wash this properly to get out like all this sand and stuff like that. And I'll be only peeling this section of my aloe because I'll be grating it and it will be like too slimy to hold to grate. I won't be blending it. So next, what I'll be doing, I'll be washing my carrots to clean it up properly and all that stuff, right? Make sure it's washed properly. Get out all this sand and all those things. And we'll be washing our aloes as well, both front and back. So what I'm doing now is grate my carrots. I usually use this oil in my soap as well, according to the type of soap that I'm making. Okay, so now that I've grated my carrots, I'll be grating my aloe. And the reason why I kept on this skin in the back is so that I'll get something to hold on to. During this comments, I don't know if you guys are hearing me like earlier. Yes, so I can get something to hold on to because this is real slimy. Now when I'm grating, now that I'm grating it, so it is more easier like this. If I'm blending, then I'll take it like out the skin. You don't have to grate it, you can like cut it, cut it up. Okay, so there you go. So my pot is all hot and I'm going to throw in my oil. Okay, so guys, I'm so sorry about the lighting, like rain is coming and sorry about the lighting. I'm going to throw in everything. My pot was hot for a while, very hot, so we're gonna throw everything in there. Okay, and my heat is down and I'm going to mix everything together. We want to make sure that everything is combined together. Okay, I'll be leaving this now for like a little 10 minutes and come back. I'll be checking it every 10 minutes. So I've cooked mine carrot oil for like 30 minutes on low heat, and what I'm about to do now is I'm going to strain it. And here you go, guys, this is my carrot oil. Get the light in. This is my carrot oil. This is the amount I got, and this is to lighten your skin and all those good stuff. Also, if you have like dark marks and so on. Right now it's still hot at the moment, so I'm about to leave it to sit to cool, and then I'm gonna do the next step. Okay, so my carrot oil has cooled, and this is the bottle that I'll be putting it in. Oh, it looks so sweet. Oh. And it is dark orange. The color is dark orange, and I love it. The scent is amazing. So after pouring my carrot oil in, what I do, I usually add some vitamin E. I usually add some vitamin E, and vitamin E is for longer shelf life. So I pour in my vitamin E inside of it, and then I'm looking for the cover. Okay, now look here, look here. And then I shake it, and I shake it. So there you go, guys. This is the carrot oil, and I apologize again for my lighting. It is dark orange. The light is not giving any justice, but it's dark orange. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure give it a thumbs up, do all the good stuff, and remember to be you, do you, and you'll be happy. And I'm out, guys. Bye.